Already screwed up! He pressed the 2 button! We're gonna pretend like this is new. Oh wow, we just got into the level. How amazing was that?
Yeah, it was magic. Yeah.
Ooh, snow. Oh my god! This is just reminding me. Winter's coming! I'm so excited.
Well,
I'm so excited winter's coming.
First of all, we gotta get through fall first.
I know, but winter's coming! I love the cold!
Yeah, but then, like, I gotta shovel snow. That's not
the fun part!
Shoveling snow ain't fun!
Yes, it is!
What the hell's wrong with you? No, it's not!
You ever when fighter was 2 different things?
Kame? Hame? Ha!
No, it's more of a Hadouken. No, but Artie, do you remember when fighter was like 2 different Kirby moves?
My what?
When Kirby was 2 different fighter moves?
What do you mean?
It was like the red sash and the blue sash.
Doesn't the blue sash is something else?
Yeah, but they decided to change it, so they made it everything.
No, the blue sash does throws.
Yeah, I know, but in this game they changed it so that fighter does all of it.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
It's why you don't see the blue sash anymore.
Ah, me, ah, me, haja.
Oh shoot, we need. Actually, nah, we don't really need it.
Hey, go get your name, boy.
Wait, hold up.
We actually do need fire.
Got it. I'm sorry, but like I have a lot of fond memories with wintertime.
You mean Christmas?
No, not really Christmas.
Hell.
I just like snow. Cause like, you know what's one thing I like? Whenever I'm, you probably didn't even ask, but that's a problem with mine. I need to wait.
Just fucking.
A fond memory of mine was like, whenever I'm depressed when I was younger, I would just look at the snowfall.
Making my episode very sad.
No, I'm being honest. Whenever I was upset, I would just look at snowfall and I'd be like, oh.
I like snow because it's white like rice.
I also find like winter cute because then you get to cuddle with like a significant other.
Yeah, but I don't got no significant other, so it don't matter.
See, I was trying to be all cute and nice, but here you are being a freaking butthole.
I'm being honest. I mean, I have myself. That's all you need.
Alright, I'm letting you do this.
Have to beat all the enemies.
Was there any point to that?
Nope.
Oh! Nice!
Oh my. Okay, we're doing that again.
Yeah, Artie, why you be killing us? We have 38 lives, that don't matter. Wait, what? Oh, no, that's just probably a thing.
That was me because I took control. I was too nervous about Artie. That wasn't me!
Why'd you panic? I didn't! Then who did? That was you! No, it wasn't. Yes, it was. I take no responsibility. That was me. That's a damn lie. That was me. That was not you. You lying. Press no! There you go. I want to get that, specifically. Okay, alright, I'm letting you do this. Alright, I'll do it.
Fails. I should have screamed and skilled you. Don't fucking do that. Okay. Okay. Wait! There's something down there! There's something down there! Ah! That was me.
Okay, I did not.
That was me. That was me. That was me.
Alright, we get it. That was you. Okay, don't give me no attitude. But I'm allowed to get it. It's my playthrough. Yeah, it's caught up on your channel. I'm the guest. You're not a guest on like... Holy crap. I feel kind of weird. This? No, because like, I'm used to recording Mario Party with you. Or like... Wait, we're doing Kirby. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Alright, you do it for me. Alright, you do this.
Oh! 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 Yo, Yo, why are there so many bananas?
Oh my!
It's like Breath of the Wild. You know how like they're addicted to bananas?
Yes. I actually like bananas. I don't get it.
What, the Breath of the Wild reference?
No.
You don't?
No, I'm not talking about that. People would put all types of genitalia and all types of nasty shit in your mouth, but you won't eat the brown spot of your
Oh,
mouth.
the bruised part. I eat bruised parts of bananas. It's the same thing.
Isn't it the sweetest part?
Yeah, it's the sweetest part. Yeah, this is me and my LPs.
I love the mic.
It's me and my LPs.
Literally screaming. Turtle, turtle! Oh, we got all of them. Okay.
My LPs be like,
You just missed the chance to get beamed. Alright.
I don't care, I have this. And now ready? This is me at comms. Are you ready? Me at comms. Pay attention to me!
That thing's so. What the hell? That was broken! Yo, the mic low key broken. I didn't even fall over that.
I didn't know you had a shield.
Motherfucker, what the fuck do you think that thing is?
An emblem.
Cretin!
You wanna get the whip?
I need an ability, don't I?
You can get a 1-up if you aim up. No, you don't have to hold it, you can just press it.
Didn't I tell you to not go outside without my permission?
You're giving me flashbacks, fam.
You're giving me flashbacks.
You're the one that said it!
I know, but I'm giving myself.
Alright, let's see. Who gets better? Ha!
Oh! That was so close!
And you weren't. You'll never be close.
Shut the fuck up.
You'll only do it once this whole playthrough.
Excuse me? That's a damn lie.
That took 7 minutes.
That was not long.
Because we failed so much.
Anyways. Alright. Wait, did the birds give me any power?
Yeah, it's ice. Oh!
What was that? So? Oh, it's part of the... Ah! I'm such an idiot. Damn it. Are you serious? Really? Yo, this is soothing music. Sona ninjutsu!
Already, the next Hokage.
I will be the next Hokage. Yo, who's your favorite Hokage? Goku.
Goku, the Charizard from Naruto.
Naruto can go Super Saiyan, right?
Go up, come up, come up. Yeah, okay, it was just a bird. Was that a knife?
It is.
Yo. Oh, you need to shoot a kunai. You can hold on to the wall. Hold on to the wall. Hold, yeah, there you go now, but in between there.
There you go.
Or you could have held on to the wall, my dude.
Can you hold on to it like forever, or?
Yeah, you're a ninja. It's like Sheik. In Smash. Or can Greninja do it too?
Greninja, yeah, Greninja can do it. Called wall clinging, yes. Most of the characters can do it in Smash. Fuck!
I got it first.
We both got fired though, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I got it first.
And?
Hurry!
Oh my god.
Hurry, Artie! Hurry, just dash! Okay, we made it in time. Okay, wait, hold up. Ready? Go. See, we're doing this the cheap way, because what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to, like, dash with the flame. But since we're 2 people, like, we can just...
I actually don't remember, like, I don't remember doing half the stuff in this game, but I do remember.
Ooh, mint
playing
ice
it.
cream, mint chocolate chip ice cream. I love mint. Mint is like my favorite flavor ice cream. I love it.
I just like food.
You call me crazy for that.
For what?
For liking mint ice cream.
No, I didn't.
No, wait, who was it that hated me for liking mint Oreos?
I don't know. Not me. I love mint Oreos and
Okay, so ready?
oh, we could've-
Marty, you can jump on like the enemies. You can hold, like when you can press 2 like when you bounce on an enemy. Milk. Okay, I got it.
Alright. I was about to be like, why the fuck isn't it working? Ah!
Damn it, Artie. You need to follow me. So ready? Come down here. Come down here. So ready? Oh my god. How the
Wait.
hell? Can you get out of that or nah? Okay, 1 second. We're
I
gonna
don't
redo this.
remember how to do this.
Alright, so ready?
Alright, this part I'm actually gonna need help with. I don't
So,
remember this.
so keep flying. Start flying. Oh my god, no, not like that. Go down, come down. Ready? Stay above me. Stay above me. Wait for the snowballs to come up, and then you're gonna follow me. This is why you have me. What we learn. What we learn.
Yeah, we learn it.
You think they'd give you ice.
Useless.
Just like me.
No. You made me food, so that's not worthless. I was gonna get Rocky. I was gonna get the Rock.
Name something the Rock can't beat. Paper. Oh! This is the funnest thing. Ready? Come all the way here. Turn to a rock. Yo, look at me.
You wish you were that fit.
But I am.
That's a damn lie. Viewers, Ariel is not fit. He is a foofy, first of all, and he is built like a foofy.
That's rude.
What? Be rude is fine. It will get views.
This music is so cute.
All Kirby music is cute. We've been over this.
Why are we the same thing?
Why are you the bigger one?
Because I'm holding down. If you hold down, you become bigger. Wait, that sounds bad out loud. Why are you the bigger one? Pineapple does go on pizza!
That was pineapple? It does
Yes!
not go on pizza.
We will rock you. Oh! Alright, are you ready for the last of the upgrades?
Huh?
You don't see something special about this one?
Oh! Never mind.
Absorb it.
Grand Hammer's my favorite.
I swear to you, I love the fact that he has like a bow on like.
Okay, hammer time!
Nigga missed the whole thing entirely.
My bad. But that would hit because, you know, broken hitboxes. Damn, it caught me missing.
You have to wait for them to pop up. You slut.
Hammer down! We Reinhardt up in here.
Oh! I tried to do that, but my throat hurt.
Okay, hammer down!
Ready? You gotta wait for this one.
I know, I'm waiting.
Oh, you can just hit this middle one. Never mind, of course. Like,
Just as I
when you
leave.
get off of it. Ha! Okay. This music is nice.
Like I say, every Kirby music is nice.
Not all of it.
Yes, it is. It's Kirby. Kirby has good music.
I think Legend of Zelda has better music.
All right. Well, that's easily
Easily
debatable.
Press the one. Press the one button when you see one appear. Oh my god. Hurry! There you go. We sat there for like 5 whole minutes.
Actually, it was like 2 minutes.
You mean 50 years?
Negative.
Oh, this one's gonna be important. You have to be quick. Oh! Will this count?
Damn it! I pressed
You
one!
jumped on me.
Oh my god.
Hurry, ready? There you go. You all like, yo, imagine if we just lost it.
I swear to Christ. There we go. All right.
Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm. All right, you carry the key. I don't think I'm gonna be.
You're like, I don't trust myself, man.
I really don't. Bro!
You never knew about that?
No, you were supposed to get the. We almost died.
Almost, but not quite.
It don't matter.
It don't matter. Hurry up! I can't move on without you.
You made it.
Did you see me like climbing this thing with the cannon?
Kirby has like 5 arms.
Oh my god, look, there's ramen next to the ninja.
I love it.
I'm holding those.
That makes me happy.
Oh, this is the electric one.
Ikari no hana. Matsukete ai. Oh, okay. Damn it!
The true ninja. That's my ninja way. Did you hear that?
Yes.
That's my ninja.
You are my friend!
I'm Uncle Moku say, you not demo mata. I'm not even gonna continue that because that just shows how much of a weeb I am.
I don't even remember the rest of the ending. All I remember is you are
Not
my
even
friend.
an ending. It's a. It's the,
I mean, opening. My bad. Sorry.
Ha!
Come on, man.
All right, you want to do one more level, or do you want to get it off here? Because it's actually all these levels are taking 10 minutes now. The levels are getting longer.
The 50 energy spheres you collected have unlocked the door to.
Not important.
I guess we'll do one more.
Okay. Beep! I'm a ninja!
I had my ninja powers, but they gone.
I have to make sure we're safe. I was wondering, did I just die?
Excuse me. Isn't that ice? Why don't that what the?
It looks like one of those Japanese fridges for like ice cream.
Oh!
You gonna die. You gonna.
Wait, Japanese fridges, what are you talking about?
So, no, they have, it's actually not a Japanese fridge. It looks like a snow cone machine. I don't know why it's a Japanese fridge. I think it's because I'm ninja. Oh!
A weeb.
Look, cake. Cakey this.
Cakey this guy.
Give me some cake. Oh, that sounds bad.
Oh. Give me some sugar, honey.
That's it. Let's go. You can't. Fam, you gonna die. Fam, you gonna... Okay.
I won't.
Artie, be careful. I'll take lead. Okay? Stay behind me.
Of course there's water.
No, stay behind me, Artie. Oh, sugar. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Artie!
You just go... Ah! Oh, see? I
You
don't
die here. I will never let you live this down. Come on. Hurry, take the cake, take the cake, take the cake! It's a piece of cake to make a pretty cake. No!
You can't duck? Are you kidding me?
I mean, we're underwater, so I think a duck would be above ground. Fine.
Get out of my fucking video.
Wait, hurry, 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 Artie. Artie, no, go down. You're just done. You're just like, you're like, oh, it's a good idea to record with Ariel, a good friend. And then you listen to my jokes, and you're just like, they stop right now.
I don't care about the joke.
Alright!
I'm mad that these...
That I can do these so perfectly. Oh shoot, I think we need spear.
No, you don't.
Hold up, I got this. Wait. Alright, we already have enough to do anyways. There you go.
Back to that!
We don't care. We're doing this because we can.
I don't give a damn what my viewers want. I post what I want. I'm a real content creator.
Oh, needle.
Ferrothorn, Ferrothorn.
It's like we made out before we died.
Like, one final kiss!
Alrighty, take that crystal. Take the crystal! Now run! Run that way! You can go through the ice.
Well, you're invisible, so I would...
Climb.
What?
Oh, here. 1 second. Let me help you. Climb. Hurry. Destroy it. Dude. Yeah, there you go. Be careful. What did I just say?
You can't go down?
You need the. Let's see if we can respawn the crystal.
For sure you can.
Okay, let's go. I'm important.
Ah, that's a damn lie.
Kirby and the crystal shards.
Oh my fucking god.
I love that game. I 100%ed that game not too long ago.
What?
I 100%ed that game not too long ago. Hurry, wait, Artie, go back. Go back.
That game's a good game.
It used to be a good game. What?
I said it is a good game.
The problem is, like, you can't get, like, the full boss unless you get every shard, which is what I did.
Aw, so helpful. I thought that was ice for a second. I'm like, wait, how are we swimming in ice?
Hold up. Let's backtrack, 'cause I think we might need Cutter. Just in case. It does look like ice.
See, I'm not wrong, am I?
But you are wrong. We're not swimming in ice. Oh, I know what I'm supposed to do. Ready?
That was manly.
Okay, was I ever manly? Thank you. Okay.
At least you admit it. What?
Nande!
I get it first. I get it first. Hey, I got it first. That means I'm winning. I'm important.
He says this now.
What do you mean? I've always been important.
Wait, is the water going up? Logic. Hiya. Fire and ice! Oh my god.
Fire!
Wait, hold up. Artie, you need to press the switch. Artie, come down here. Press the switch.
God damn
Okay,
it!
We messed up. Come over here.
I hate ice levels.
Press it. Come on. Okay, now I'm gonna do this again. Come over here so I can give you food. Alright, now ready. Guard me with your life. Are you kidding me? No, I'm just gonna kill him. Wait, hold up, Artie.
Ah! What hit KO?
I mean, if you got hit with a bomb that big, would you be...
No, he would be dead.
Oh.
On. Go. Oh, fuck, my bad.
It is your bad.
No.
Get off. Yeah! Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
I was like, why am I not, like, giving you food? And I just saw, like, you're...
Because you hate me!
No, it's because you're full.
But I want more!
Same, though. Yeah!
Why am I always getting 2 now?
Because you're always second place.
That's a damn
And
lie.
you're second rate. Okay. Ah! No, my bad, my bad.
See, that's your fault.
I was lost in thought for like 5 seconds.
La.
Are you singing Fire Emblem? Is that how you're saying goodbye to everyone?
I'm not done yet. Wait! No!